Swept flanges introduced in SolidWorks 2012 are powerful sheet metal design tools. However, in certain circumstances in previous versions of SolidWorks, cylindrical and conical sweeps could unfold about the wrong edge or path direction. Now in SolidWorks 2014, there's a new option within the swept flange feature to provide precise control over which edge to anchor the part from when unfolding. This gives you the desired flat pattern for cylindrical and conical swept flanges. A completely new sheet metal feature highly requested by users is the new sheet metal gusset. Like weldment gussets, there's a variety of options to control the geometry, such as an intended depth or specific dimensions for the lengths of the sides. You can define if it has a flat or full round top, as well as controlling the overall width of the gusset. Likewise, you can specify the internal radii and SolidWorks will automatically offset the material thickness for the outside fillets. Once defined, the feature accurately represents the desired gusset. Also subtle but new is SolidWorks' more comprehensive ability to remember property manager values when creating additional features. So when a second gusset is added, as long as we want the values to be identical, we simply need to select the appropriate faces and press OK, and an identical feature is created. Manufacturing sheet metal components often means precise control over corner reliefs. SolidWorks 2014 completely redefines what it means to create these by allowing you to now define them in the context of the formed or folded part. Similar to many other SolidWorks features, selection is easy with a Select All button which quickly gathers every corner on the part and allows you to simply place a relief type globally at each instance. Alternatively, you can choose to control each corner specifically by simply selecting the selection bubble at each corner. There's 5 unique corner reliefs to choose from too, which include rectangular, circular, tear, oblong, and constant width, ensuring you're able to design and visualize the part the way it was intended to be manufactured. Another scenario that greatly affects manufacturability is the use of lofted bends, another unique and powerful sheet metal design tool. And though SolidWorks has always enabled us to create these using formed methods, SolidWorks 2014 now provides an option to show this feature in a bent or transitional state. Like corner reliefs, there are several choices here in defining how the bends are defined, including chord tolerance, number of bends, segment length, and segment angle. In this case, number of bends is preferred. Once specified, again, like corner relief, you have the choice to explicitly change each bend region, for instance, defining the second instance by bend angle. And of course, like all sheet metal parts and features in SolidWorks, it's completely unfoldable, providing the vital manufacturing information to create the part.